iRobot Roomba 694, Smart Cleaning Companion. Discover the iRobot Roomba 694, your ultimate cleaning ally designed to transform your home cleaning routine into a smarter, hassle-free experience. This powerful robot vacuum, equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, seamlessly integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant, enabling effortless voice-controlled cleaning sessions. Set personalized cleaning schedules effortlessly through the intuitive iRobot Home app, ensuring your floors stay spotless every day. Engineered with a cutting-edge 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes, the Roomba 694 efficiently tackles dirt, dust, and debris on both carpets and hard floors. Its edge-sweeping brush reaches corners and edges, leaving no nook untouched. Equipped with adaptive navigation technology, advanced sensors guide the Roomba, allowing it to maneuver effortlessly around furniture while avoiding stairs with cliff detect. The Roomba 694 learns your cleaning habits, adapting to your lifestyle by suggesting extra cleanings during high pollen seasons or pet shedding, keeping your floors impeccably clean. Patented dirt detect sensors locate heavily soiled areas, providing deeper cleaning in high-traffic zones. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, it automatically recharges, ensuring a consistent and thorough clean throughout your home. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the iRobot Roomba 694 and revel in cleaner, stress-free living.